Hello everybody, welcome to How to Zazzle. Today we're going to learn how to do this really simple keychain. It's a great gift for dad. You can change it and make it for an aunt, a mom, a sister, or grandma, whatever you want. This is totally customizable. But for the sake that it's already made, we're going to go over how to change the photo and change the text. So let's get started. So all you have to do is I'm going to put this link down below in the description. So just click on this link. It should be clickable, otherwise just copy and paste it into your URL. So once you click on it, you're going to come up with this picture right here. Once this picture comes up, all you have to do is click on personalize this template, and then you'll be able to change everything. So if you want to change the picture, click on change, and then go to upload images, and that will take you to your computer files or your phone files. And then once you get there, then click on it and it will go there. Now see how it's like all off-centered here? What you do is you go to click to customize further, and it'll take you to this template. So here you can move things around. You can just drag the picture to where you want it. You can make it bigger or smaller. And you can also change the text if you want. So like if you want to put like best dad ever, you can. So okay, if the picture went like where you wanted it to, you could also change the text here too. So there's the two different places you can change the text, right here on the front page, or click to customize further. So either way, you can see how it will change it. And then over here you can see the views of the keychain. There's the back of it, just plain. There's the front of it, so you got your photo in there, you got your text, and if you can even remove the text, like in this picture where it covers it. If you don't want any text, you can completely take the text off. I probably could have picked a better picture but to fit better, but anyway, for the sake of the tutorial, pick different styles of keychains that you like, and then once you have it how you like it, you just click add to cart. And that's it. You got yourself a keychain. It's great for a Father's Day present, birthday, Christmas. They're really cute, very inexpensive, and it's an affordable gift, and it's like a nice little stocking stuffer to add on to a little Father's Day present. So anyway, I hope that helps you. You guys have a great day. Happy Zazzle, and bye-bye.